Hi, this is Kenny, and I'm from the team Jack is on Fire. Our team members are David, Alex, and me, and this is our deliverable 3, which is explaining our current progress for building the project and completing our application. So firstly, this is our chart for our current progress of the week that we have working on the application so far. Currently for this week, for this period, we are working on designing the front end as well as the back end of our application. So moving on, this is the progress of our current work for the front end of the application. What we have done is we gather all the requirements as needed, and then we work together to brainstorm how the application would look like. And we also created a prototype using Just-in-Mind prototyper, and we design the front end of the application using Vue.js. We thought about using other frameworks such as React.js, but we decided that Vue.js is simplified enough and was very flexible in meeting all our requirements for the application. So this is the simple search for our application, as you can see. And in this use case, the clinician or user can put in any information that will then match to the result that they're looking for. So moving to the next, this is the screenshot of our advanced search. This is a more specific advanced search that give clinician or user more options to choose the patients as well as input more data that they would like to search for. In this case, we decide to include the gender, age, the patient's diagnosis, the location, stats, procedures, medications, as well as the clinical trial that they have done and whether they have done any other clinical trial in the past. So this is basically one of the advanced search that we plan to implement in our application, and this already been completed as a front end running on Vue.js. So lastly, this is what we're currently working on is designing the backend of our application. In this case, we're planning to run a queries as the clinician or user put in the information into the search. It will create a query. The program will create a query that will be running across the server and return back the desired result. And this below is our plans for deployment. Is our project's focus is on making it easier for clinical trials recruiters to find patients who are a good match for their studies. The web application will be deployed by providing a platform deployed on HDAP for the recruiter or patients to run the queries for desired data. And so this is our current project on designing this application, and we're planning to continue working on the projects and will input more updates as we continue to build and complete the application. Thank you.